Fraud crimes are often one of the most difficult areas of law because there can be a lot of paperwork involved, a lot of trail hunting, so to speak, because when you're going through a paper trail looking at financial transactions, almost every financial transaction has to be understood, has to be explained, has to be analyzed, often in great detail. This is where forensic accounting often comes in. If you or someone you love is accused of a fraud crime, whether it's scheme to defraud or credit card fraud or something else, give us a call. We've handled these types of cases for many years. We have a great reservoir of experience, and when putting together legal teams handling any type of fraud case, I only work with the best. We want to have the best outcome for you or someone you love.